Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for Friday the 24th of June. Today news has already come out at 8:30. We had core durable goods orders came in at 0.6, expectations were 1 and a prior of negative 0.4. We had durable goods come in at 1.9, expectations at 1.6 and a prior of negative 2.7. Final GDP came in line with expectations at 1.9 and a prior reading of 1.8, and then final GDP price index came in at 2%, better than expectations and prior of 1.9. And let's go to the charts. And right now we're still in this, what looks to be a corrective pattern, and maybe look for maybe a low down here, and maybe we come back up and then sell a little bit more, because it does look to be a little corrective here. We'd have to look and determine it for ourselves, wait for this choppy part to leave, and that's what I'm looking for at the moment. One more little bit of a sell-off, and then probably some buying from there. So we'll have to wait for this choppiness to get over with, and then we could probably see something a little more substantial. So right now I'm just watching it. Today I'll take the trades as they come. We're probably not going to see too much until next week is what I'm thinking. But we'll have to go from there. Fridays are notoriously choppy, and just this pattern here looks like it can continue to be choppy into next week, and then probably get a little bit more selling from there. We did have quite a bit of buying yesterday afternoon, which was definitely interesting, and I want to see what's going to come of that. So definitely do want to see that. This B wave breaking the third wave that I have over there. I don't know if I can scroll back to it. Yeah, right here, this third wave, and this B wave breaking it makes me think we're going to see a C wave break of this red line, this 1241 area. So that's what I'm waiting for to happen. If something else happens, obviously I'll change my position, but that's what I'm looking for right now. That's what I'm waiting to happen, and probably going to chop around today and then go into maybe middle next week or something. But anyway, that's what I'm looking for, waiting for something to happen, and of course we'll take our trades as they come. Hope everybody watching enjoys this video. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope everyone has an awesome Friday. I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.